What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO ticker. And first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with some fundamental news that will definitely drive the price of this ticker up. And we will finish this video with the technical analysis and with the probable targets of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time promo offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the chart first of all. And I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that from this point we might go up because we had a very bullish pattern. It was a double bottom, and we identified that we have a C wave with the completed 5 waves structure. And from this point, from our last entry point, we are up for about 57% to the top of this movement, and to our current price we are up for about 24%. Very good up movement, and congratulations to all of you who took this call and enter your position. So it is very good that we have this price action because we broke this previous swing high and this swing high, and because of this price action we are establishing higher highs and we have to establish higher lows, and in this case we will officially be on an uptrend. And let me show you that we hit exactly to the tick this previous line. It is a support line, was right here, and for now it is a resistance, and we hit it and then bounce back. So in my technical analysis in several minutes I will show you why it is a very good point to start to accumulate your position again with this company. But for now let's continue with the fundamentals. And first of all, let's start with the company profile. NIO Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures and sells smart electric vehicles in China. I have to say that on top of selling vehicles in China, they already have plans and they already sell cars in Europe. I've covered it in my previous video that they opened a new store in Norway, and the next country that might open this type of stores is Germany. And I think in nearest future we will see the entire Europe with the full of NIO stores. So let's continue with their fundamentals. Their market cap for now is $70.13 billion. They have a revenue of $3.49 billion with a negative net income of $1.34 billion. They have a mind-blowing revenue growth of 202.26%. And if you compare it with their market cap of $70 billion, it is really insane number. So they have a total cash position of $7.21 billion with a total debt of $2.34 billion. They have a current ratio of 3.06, and I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint this company is extremely stable. So let's continue with this news. It is a general news for electric vehicle market, and it was published on July 15th, and it's titled "Electric Vehicle Stocks Rally as Europe and China Developments Look Favorable." And let me quote you these bullets. The electric vehicle sector is racing higher in early trading as investors drift back into some recently beaten down names. Gainers include several stocks and NIO as well in this list. So, positive reports on China EV sales trends and the move by European Commission to look at banning internal combustion engine vehicles after 2035 could be helping sentiment in the sector. So, this news is definitely very favorable for all electric vehicle producers. And let me show you this news. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published just 2 days ago, and it's titled "2 Catalysts that will take NIO shares higher." And here is the first one: massive battery swap expansion. And let me quote it for you. On NIO Power Day last week, the company announced expansion plans to grow the battery swap station deployment. Known as NIO Power 2025, the company plans to expand the swap stations to 4,000 units by the end of 2025, including 1,000 outside of China. It already has 301 swap stations and 204 fast charging stations. The swap stations generate additional revenue for the company and attract customers to the service. The long-term goal of establishing 4,000 stations is proof that the company is in the line with the market and considers a rising demand for its EVs. So, very good news from NIO, and they have this competitive advantage. It is the only company of this size that has a battery as a service, and it is very important for their monthly recurring revenue. Next potential catalyst is President Biden's plan. Let me quote it for you. Known as the American Jobs Plan, US President Biden has made a $174 billion allocation for the promotion of EV and EV charging stations. This is a major boost to the EV industry, and funds are calling it the down payment on the future of transportation. And this is very important, because after this initial investment of $174 billion, we will definitely see the private investments in this sector, and this will drastically improve the position of all EV manufacturers and all EV related companies. So let's continue with institutional investors. And according to Fintel.io, green rows indicate new positions and red rows indicate closed position. And as you can see, we have more green rows than the red ones, and gray rows indicate that these companies slightly increase or decrease their position, but in general they are strongly hold the line. And it is very important that we have this information, because for now let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. And as you can see, for now we have this massive surge in price for more than 76% from the very bottom to this top. And it is very important that we have this sentiment, because we are establishing a new uptrend. We are starting to establish new uptrend, because we exceed all the major previous swing highs, and we have to establish new higher lows, and this will indicate new uptrend on a slightly bigger scale. So, what to expect next from this ticker? First of all, let's do some measurements. I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And as you can see, we are hovering right at the level of 0.5. This means from this bottom to this top, we already have 50% retracement. It means 50% discount for those of you who missed this call, and it is very important. So, what should you do if you want to invest in this company? First of all, do your own due diligence, because due diligence is a must. And we still have some risks involved in this process, because this is a Chinese company, and the Chinese company, basically, it is a risk itself. But I have to say that they have very promising future, and in my opinion, it will deliver more and more vehicles. Right after that, they will drastically improve their financials, and this will drive the stock price to all-time highs. So, and what type of targets do we have? To project targets, I pull Fibonacci extension tool from the very bottom, from this point, to the very top, and third point at the bottom of the retracement. And with the assumption that we have to finish our third wave, we have following targets. First target at the level of $81.92. It is at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level. Next one at the level of $95.88. And the most aggressive target is at the level of $136.2. And let me adjust a little bit this level. And from our current price, we might have about 219% of potential profits. And I have to say it is a long-term play, because this target might be hit by the price in a matter of 6 to 8 months, and you have to be prepared for this. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!